A Vancouver teen is speaking out after getting the wrong COVID-19 vaccine. Right now, the Pfizer-BioNTech shot, well, that really is the only vaccine approved in this country for people under 18. But when the 13-year-old rolled up her sleeve, she got a dose of Moderna instead. Now, doctors say the two vaccines are similar and the mix-up is very unlikely to cause any problems. But as Zara Primji tells us, at least a dozen families have had the same thing happen to them.
Our health is in their hands, and they should be more aware of who they're giving the vaccine to.
13-year-old Noura Elanezi was all set to get the vaccine and protect her loved ones on Friday evening.
Noura booked herself an appointment.
But seconds after she got her shot of Moderna from the nurse at the Vancouver Convention Centre, she and her mother were struck with panic.
When I mentioned to her I got for myself Pfizer, and she said, oh, it's all the same, it's just slightly different, just the brand name and stuff like that, and she gave her the shot. She was preparing the other shot for my son, Omar, and that moment looked like the nurse just remembered that she shouldn't give Moderna to young children under age of 17.
After that, they say the nurse apologized, explaining she gave the 13-year-old the wrong vaccine. Pfizer is the only one currently approved for use in 12 to 17-year-olds in Canada. Moderna is what she received.
I was concerned because, again, I thought she knew better than us. I thought it got approved or something before we came.
This is not approved. It's something like went in her body, and we don't know about anything.
And Noura isn't the only one. Vancouver Coastal Health tells CBC News it has identified 12 incidents from May 28 to 29 in which Moderna was administered to kids under the age of 18. It goes on to say Moderna is safe and effective, and their medical health officers do not believe its use in these adolescents will impact the clients or their vaccination series. And experts say while worrisome for families, it should be okay.
We think that Moderna will be safe. There's no biological reason to think that it will be unsafe. So I wouldn't be terribly concerned at this era, and I think it will become the standard of care going forward.
I was concerned because we don't know the side effects if someone my age has the vaccine.
Mother and daughter say they know mistakes happen.
Vancouver Coastal Health, I really appreciate what they are doing. They are under big pressure, I know, but for this specifically matter, I would like them to be more careful.
Vancouver Coastal Health says more education will be in place going forward, including, where feasible, clinics will have dedicated immunizers and stations specific to each vaccine type. Zara Premji, CBC News, Vancouver.